2023 was a pivotal year for the AD Ports Group. Despite the volatility, supply chain disruption, and geopolitical challenges in the industry, the group delivered on its growth strategy. We expanded our footprint, where we now have operations in over 40 countries around the world, operating 27 ports and terminals with a capacity of over 10 million TEUs and 45 million tons of general cargo. Our workforce grew from 4,000 to over 6,700 employees across 5 continents worldwide. Our vessel fleet expanded to over 250 vessels. We gained significant market share in the automotive, container, and offshore sectors. The group also completed the strategic acquisition of the Noatum Group. We added a 50-year concession of Karachi Port Terminal. GFS, the global shipping line, we added to the group, making us the #1 feeder company in the Gulf region. Total revenues reached 11.7 billion dirhams, a 112% year-on-year increase. EBITDA grew 23% to 2.7 billion, and net profit increased to 1.4 billion dirhams. And total assets grew by 44% to 55.6 billion. We achieved 120 million dirhams of synergies within 2023, demonstrating the strength of the group at delivering cost and revenue optimization. The Ports Cluster began the year inaugurating the state-of-the-art Aqaba Cruise Terminal. The Ports Cluster's revenue grew by an incredible 40% year-on-year to 1.5 billion in 2023. We also signed a 30-year concession agreement to develop and operate the Container and Multipurpose Terminal in Safaga. Container throughput grew to 4.9 million TEUs, a 13% increase on 2022. General cargo volumes rose by 26% and reached 40 million tons in 2023. A 30-year extendable concession agreement was signed to manage and operate the multi-purpose terminal in Congo-Brazzaville Pointe Noire Port. The 50-year concession to operate and upgrade the container terminal in Karachi represents a significant investment in the ports and maritime infrastructure and strengthens bilateral trade between Pakistan and the UAE. The Economic Cities and Free Zone Cluster, which oversees 55% of the UAE's total industrial area, engaged in strategic investments and development projects which significantly impacted several sectors, including food production, metals, and automotive. A 7% increase in revenue to 1.8 billion dirhams was recorded, showcasing our ability to attract and retain key businesses and tenants. The cluster leased an impressive 5 square kilometers of additional land in 2023. The cluster also completed the merger of KEZAD Communities and Eskan Jamai, creating Abu Dhabi's largest integrated staff accommodation company, with over 7 billion dirhams in total assets. The year also saw the commencement of the 330 million development of primary infrastructure for food and automotive hubs within KEZAD. The Maritime and Shipping Cluster significantly expanded its scope, geographic reach, and diversity of its service offerings, rapidly increasing its portfolio and raising capacity across all shipping segments. The cluster remained a significant revenue driver, experiencing a surge to 6.3 billion dirhams of revenue, and continued with ambitious vessel acquisitions. This has enabled our group to expand shipping operations across the Caspian Sea and strengthen its offshore asset base to penetrate key oil and gas and renewable energy markets here in the Middle East and Southeast Asia. The logistics cluster's revenue leaped by an impressive 264% to 1.9 billion dirhams, significantly strengthened by the integration of Noatum's logistics business. This was the major turning point for the cluster and has transformed our logistics business, giving it scale, agility, and a new reach on the global stage. Noatum's existing status as a global integrated logistics service provider has a presence in over 26 countries around the world. It brings significant growth potential thanks to its asset-light operating model and presence in all major global markets, including Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. The subsequent 100% acquisition of Sese Automotive Logistics strengthened the group. This allows the group to offer comprehensive and vertical solutions to the key automotive industry, covering the entire value supply chain. The digital cluster revenue grew by 13% to 454 million dirhams, driven by the strategic acquisition of TTEC This enhanced our digital trade services, reinforcing the group's flagship Magnet Gateway's ability to serve international markets with a comprehensive single window solution. By the end of 2023, the number of digital transactions performed within the cluster rose to 150 million cumulatively. The company would like to extend its deepest gratitude to our board of directors for their strategic guidance, our customers for their trust, and our shareholders for their resolute support. We are also appreciative of all of our employees, hardworking and achieving outstanding results in 2023. Looking ahead, we are poised for even greater accomplishments. With our focus on building synergies across the group's portfolio, enhancing global connectivity while creating promising opportunities for innovation and sustainability.